This is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV Profit in association with NSE.
Welcome back. You're watching NDTV Profit. The markets remain under pressure, but we want to focus on individual corporate developments. Let's pull up the stock of Ashiana Housing. That's down 2% today. It has formed a joint venture with the Chennai realtor Arihant for a senior living project near Chennai. To talk to us about this development, we are joined by Ankur Gupta, Joint Managing Director at Ashiana Housing. He's joining us on the phone line from Bharuch. Thank you so much, Mr. Gupta, for speaking with us. Can you give us more details about this joint venture? I believe Arihant is getting land as equity into this joint venture. What is your investment? What will be the role you will play?
So basically, it's a 20-acre parcel which we have gone joint venture with Arihant. We will be bringing the expertise of senior living, the construction, the sales, and the management of senior living as our expertise and our responsibility in the project.
So you're saying construction, maintenance and sales is going to be your responsibility. What is the kind of revenue sharing agreement that you have with Arihant?
It's basically, there's a percentage being shared on the top line with Arihant on the sales side.
Can you tell us, sir, what is the percentage? What is the revenue breakup? How much you will get and how much Arihant will get?
I believe it's 25% and 75%, but I'm not certain right now.
25% for Arihant, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Right, Mr. Gupta, what kind of an investment is this project, will be getting? Are we expecting in this particular project?
From a construction investment, we'll be looking at around 180 to 200 crores.
And what is the timeline? How soon can you start this particular project? What's the progress on that front?
We're looking at launching it in Q3 of this year, and we're looking at anywhere between about 6 to 7 years for completion of the project.
Right. You have an expertise in senior living projects, and you, I think, are already executing 5 of them. We want to understand how is it different from the other housing projects that you engage in? I think the middle income housing. Is the demand in this segment better? How are the metrics different from other segments?
It's quite different. It's actually not a real estate play. It's a lifestyle play, and it's a choice which seniors get after the age of 55 to live a lifestyle of activity, of companionship, of fun. At the same time, having the feel of safety, care services available to them. So there is a lot of services. It's a lot of services-driven product, and it gives them a lot of chances to get activity. I always call it a purposeful life after retirement is what a senior living project is.
Right. But since you also take care of the maintenance, marketing and sales, what are the kind of margins and realizations you get from these senior living projects?
To me, senior living is like any product which has demand and supply. So different places we get different margins. Somewhere it is higher than middle income group, and in certain cases equal or a little lesser than them. What we see in Chennai, we should be making better margins on the senior living side because there is it's one of the state with the largest senior living population who live alone with the highest per capita income.
And when it comes to this particular project, then what kind of revenues are you targeting?
The complete revenue would be in the range of 350 to 400 crores.
All right. And how soon can we see that coming into your books of accounts? When can you start booking revenue from this particular project?
So we look at phase 1 starting, let's say, Q3, then it'll take about 2 years, 6 months before revenue can be booked.
Right. Can you tell us how many of your projects will come on stream in this financial year? What kind of income are you looking to book this year based on, I think you book your revenues post completion of phase 1 or otherwise. So how many are coming on course in this year?
I'm not sure exactly, but we're looking at around 2,000 units to be delivered this year in different projects. Wouldn't be able to give you revenue projections for the same.
But are you working with some kind of targets? I thought you had given a target of 22 lakh square feet in sales this year. Can you talk about what your targets are for this year?
So yes, that is the sales target. That's the area book target for this year, and that recognition will happen later depending on when we deliver that. So at the time of possession, we're looking at about 2,000 units being delivered here and about 22 lakh square feet of sales happening this year, which we do an average sale price about 3,000 rupees a square foot.
3,000 a square foot, right?
Yeah.
So what kind of
2,800 to 3,000.
And what kind of revenue growth are you penciling in for this year?
It's very difficult because we do revenue at recognition. So at the time of possession, it'll be difficult to give that figure out.
All right, Mr. Gupta, we'll leave it there. Thank you very much for joining us here on NDTV Profit.